the BJP has given to me.
National People's Party NPP National President Conrad Sangma expressed confidence that the people will repose faith on NPP this election. The NPP National President is travelling to several constituencies in the state to campaign for his candidates.
In that process of conveying the message, sometimes you do, the moment takes over and then you say things, but that's how it is, because you believe in what you're saying and you believe in what you want to do. So that's fine. That happens in politics. But I always say that, number one, we have this is not a new situation. It happens every time. We have fought elections every time against all political parties, because our principle is that we go to the people with a ideology and we ask them to vote for us. If we're not able to get the numbers, then it leaves the political parties to then sit together and sort out how to form a government that will be able to serve at least major part of the goals.